Hi there, this is Linda from Let's Talk Prepping, and this video is a little bit of a departure from prepping because I've had a lot of comments that say, how can I prep? I don't have any money. What can I do? And of course, my first thing I say is get a second job. But one person said, I can't get a second job. I'm disabled and I'm stuck at home. So what can I do? Well, I'm here to give you some ideas on what you can do to work from home online. I'm sure if you check the comments below, you're going to find a lot of people have added comments on what you could do to make extra money. So let's start here with some ideas. Hi there, I'm right here at Fiverr, Fiverr.com. And if you haven't heard of Fiverr, it's been around for a long, long time. And what you can do is set up a gig, it's called, and people will buy from you. Here are the popular professional services: logo design, WordPress. Now, voiceover, for voiceover here, you can see I will record 100 words of voicemail message within 2 days. I'll record a professional young American male voice in English, and the prices. Now, you can't charge $20 to start. I think you're only allowed to charge $5 until you reach a certain income limit. But let me go back here. I just want to show you there's so many different things that you can do. Translation, data entry, book covers. And if you look up here, you'll see all the different things that you can do. Writing. You know what you could do? You can write a blog post. You can write articles. You can write press releases for internet marketers, for companies. Here's resume writing, podcast writing. If you're good at writing, you can do all kinds of things like that. Video and animation, music and audio. If you're into music, you can sing. Somewhere I saw dancing. I'll have to look for that again. Programming and tech, data, business. Here's lifestyle. Lifestyle is kind of interesting. Do online tutoring, gaming, astrology. I have no idea. Are you a psychic? Try it. Do something here. Here, dance lessons. I thought that was interesting. I will create a dance to your song. I will create a dance to anything you like. I'll teach you how to dance. I will teach beginner dance and techniques. So there's just about everything you can think of. Greeting cards and videos, how to make greeting cards. I'll make a greeting card for you. Cooking lessons. I will give cooking lessons. Let's look at that one. I will give you cooking recipes. I will create a baking video lesson for you. All kinds of stuff you can do that you probably never even thought of, arts and crafts. So go through here and see what you could do and copy this. And then if you really decide to do Fiverr, what you really want to do is you got to get to the top here. For example, let's look at greeting cards and videos. I will send you a custom video from a beach, a wedding invitation. So if you want to get to the top here, the ones where people are going to see you, what you should do is go to YouTube and put in how to sell on Fiverr, how to get gigs on Fiverr. Go to Google and put the same thing in and then follow their advice. This one looks interesting right here. I wonder what that is. So that's one, Fiverr. The other one is Legit, Legii, 2 I's, T.com. Now, Legit, let's see, top-rated services. Let's see, most popular. Most popular, logo. You can buy software that creates logos and then sell logos. Here's another logo, mock-up, all things graphics, logo again, logo, high-end logo sayings. But you can go through here and check it out, see what services there are. Here's lifestyle again, astrology and psychic services, your writing, business, programming, audio and music. You could do sound effects. Maybe you're really good at doing sound effects and you could do something like this. Maybe you could write a jingle, do a voiceover, do videos, graphic and design. So check these things out. Now, the next one I wanted to look at is Upwork, upwork.com. And the reason I wanted to look at that is because you can see find talent here or find work for your skills. And if you click on this, look at all the different things that are available that they're offering a gig or a job. And if you could do it here, let me just go to article writer jobs. They're looking for a copywriter, less than 30 hours a week, and they tell you what they want and what they're expected to pay. Oh, this one's paying $50,000. I'd wonder about that. You want 10 writers to contribute to their blog. Let's go back here again. The one I found interesting as I was looking through here before is recipe writer jobs. Now, did you ever think there'd be a job for writing recipes? Create 360 different healthy, nutritious recipes. $200. This is something with Australia. If you know how to cook and design elaborate and delicate dishes like the picture below, please contact us. So I hit see more there. And let's see what we get. This is a long-term job, not a temporary one. In the food field, they'll negotiate a rate. $50 was just meaningless. And I guess maybe I have to sign up in order to see the picture and everything, but it's free to sign up. Recipe creator for meal plan. Food business looking for a low-carb chef. Looking for someone to design a 12-week resistance training program. So what I guess I want to tell you is there are so many different jobs out there that you can do from home and make some money. I also want to tell you it's not going to be quick. It's not going to be easy. It's very hard to make money online. But once you get going and get started and get your first $5 in your pocket, you're then going to say, hey, if I can make $5, I can make more. And you're going to then put more effort into it. So those are just some of the places where you can make money online. And there are many, many more. I mean, I could do a whole nother video on it if you wanted me to. But in the meantime, please subscribe, please comment. Let us know if you know of any good jobs for people who are stuck at home and can't get out, people who are disabled. Let us know what they could do at home, how hard or easy the job is. So like the video, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.